Before we go to the video, I want to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because I feel grateful for what Allah gave to me, which is health and capacity to learning, so that I can finish making this assignment. Also, big thanks to my parents, my biggest support, who always encourage me to be successful with providing me good facilities for my education. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Akmal Dzaky Nugraha from 12 MIPA 6 SMA Negeri 3 Sidoarjo. In this video, I will explain what is caption text and explain my own caption text. Also, this video is an assignment given by Mrs. Hikmah Nafidah as my English teacher. I hope this video will help you to understand more about the caption text. What is caption text? Caption text is a brief description, heading, or title that identifies or introduces a document, graphic, photograph, or table. First, we have the function. It is helping readers or viewers to understand more information that might not be in photos or videos. Second, the generic structure of caption text are the title, the lead section, and heading. And last, language features of caption text are exclamation, question, adjective phrase, and personal phrase. Next, I'm going to explain my own caption text. The title is Racism. In our planet, where thousands of race, ethnicity, and religion lives together, there is no such thing as racism. When we have a different vision, different standards, and different perspective, it is very unlikely we will not encounter such a thing as racism. And right now, we, the next generation, must stop any kind of racism. Together, we can make our future even better. Next, we have the connection between my own caption text with Al-Qur'an. O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. Quran Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13. In that verse, we as Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala created us humans with different genders, namely male and female. With different genders, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala also created us nations with different tribes and races, so that we as a humankind can know each other and make a great relationship for world peace. If we can make a great relationship with all humans, it is the same as we run Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala command, so that we can become the most devout people besides Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.